When it comes to customer reviews, a 4-star review is good, but the real magic happens when you go to 5. In that very same spirit, we are proud to present the unofficial 5th day of the Home Service Super Summit. Presented by NiceJob, featuring some special guests, the strategic sessions will empower you to take what you've gathered at the Home Service Super Summit and workshop it into some actionable takeaways. At no extra cost, the strategic sessions is a must for any home service business owner looking to scale their company. And as a special bonus, those that register for the strategic sessions will be entered for a chance to win a free year of NiceJob. All Home Service Summit attendees can secure their spot by registering at the link below. And your registration gets you 1 entry for a chance to win a free year of NiceJob. So to spend a little bit more time with the attendees of the Home Service Super Summit on Monday, June 15th.